Hello guys, I am by name Engineer Musa Habib. Today I want to show you and as well teach you how to flash and unlock phones, be it Android, Windows phones, BlackBerry and even iPhones. Flashing and unlocking phones is a gold buying skill that will help you, be it as a student or an individual looking out for opportunity in providing solutions to people and getting paid for it. I've been in this business for over 10 years now, and I can tell you it's worth it because this paid my bills solving software and hardware related problems with phones for people in the society. On my screen you will see a flashing going on, flashing a Tecno phone. This is a very easy and simple thing to do, and you'll be glad you do this. I charge between 1,000 to 5,000 naira, depends on the phone, to my client, and they paid for it. They're glad they did. Some of these problems could actually range from forgetting password or pin or pattern and things like that. Some of these are common problems associated with some of the elderly people, or even forgetting an email address using on the phone, where it becomes hard to retrieve and the need to unlock the phones. And sometimes it could be virus. You realize phone hangs at boot options and all of that. I'll teach you how to flash some of these problems or flash some of these phones, be it on an Android phone, a Chinese base or not a Chinese base, Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, Jony, Nokia, and all of that. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's simple and easy. I want to tell you this: if you have a computer, you're very lucky. And if you do not have a computer, I want to tell you something, that you can actually flash phones or unlock this phone by bypassing the lock screen. That's why people are going to pay you. There are phones that comes our way sometimes that unlocking or going ahead to download the flashing file of some of the devices becomes a hard thing, and we do what? We bypass the lock screen, and we're paid for it. And it's a gold mine opportunity, it's a gold mine skill, I must tell you. And I would say you should take this opportunity in getting this course, in getting trained on how to do this. In just few hours from now, if you took this opportunity, you will be lucky you did. You will be glad you did. That your laptop, your phone will be worth serving you. I won't just be showing you how to do this. I'll be teaching you how to identify some of the software related problems with an Android phones. I'll teach you the requirement before getting started with this business. I'll teach you how you can start up how you can start up the business idea will lead to no capital in your locality, in your environment. If you are a student, it's a very, very large market opportunity for you while on campus. I'll teach you some of the secrets I actually have I did way back in school that generate a huge lot of 1,000 naira for me, that I do not go pocket broke while on campus. My skill and ideas in fixing phones was worth it, and it actually put food on my table and enabled me to pay my bills while on campus as a student. I would say you should take this opportunity, and you will be glad you did. From me to you, I look forward to see you as you click on the subscribe button. I look forward to see you as you registered for this course, our program, or teaching or masterclass on how to do this. I'll be very, very broad. I'll be very, very explicit with you to tell you some of this whole secret. This is one way of giving back to the society, especially December month, especially while we are all going into 2021. I look forward to see you. Thank you.